It was day 3 of Lori Vallow Daybell's trial in Arizona for conspiracy to commit murder in the death of her 4th husband, Charles Vallow. We saw some new faces testifying today, including a former friend of Lori and Charles and a woman who had gone on a date with Charles. Here's a recap of today's key testimony. The third day of Lori Vallow Daybell's trial in Arizona began with former Chandler police officer Daniel Coons continuing his testimony. He described the crime scene and the details of Charles Vallow's 2 bullet wounds. The next witness called by the state was Nancy Jo Hancock, who went on a date with Charles Vallow the night before he died. Hancock said she and Charles met on an LDS dating website and had been texting a lot before they met in person on July 10th. She said Charles told her he was getting a divorce and he talked about Lori and their relationship. According to Hancock, Charles was kind and calm toward Lori, and he was excited about taking JJ to school the next day. During cross-examination, Lori was very combative with Hancock, cutting her off mid-sentence and repeatedly referring to the fact that Charles was married.
So you did go on a date with a married man?
I went on a date with Charles.
But you did not know he was married?
I knew his divorce was not final.
His divorce was not started.
Okay.
So are you trying to tell me and this jury that you went on one date with my husband and he told you all the details of our lives?
I'm telling you the truth, and that's what I know.
So you spent your whole date getting to know each other, talking about me?
Don't flatter yourself. No, we did not spend the whole time talking about you.
You knew a lot about me.
I knew what I've testified to.
Also on the stand today was Christina Atwood, a former friend of Lori and Charles. Around 2019, Lori told Christina she was unhappy with Charles, that he tried to have her temple recommend taken away, and she'd gone to Hawaii and didn't want Charles to know where she was. Later in 2019, Lori told Christina Charles was possessed by a dark spirit. Christina also heard Alex say he wished he could just kill Charles, and she claims Lori admitted to crushing up some of JJ's medication and putting it in Charles's drink mix. Around this time, Lori also started talking about prior lives and claiming she didn't need to repent anymore.
The shooting of Charles by Alex was about a month after you had heard him say he wanted to kill Charles, correct?
Yes.